Hi there, I'm Jesse from Dr. PC Fix, and today we're going to be learning about computer components. Computing components are the physical devices that are required for a computer to operate properly. There are four main categories of the computer components in a typical computer. The system unit, also commonly referred to as the CPU or the tower, is the main component of a computer which houses most of the other devices that are necessary for the computer to function. Towers are available in several sizes depending on how much hardware is installed inside. A full-size case is taller than this and usually used for servers or gaming computers. A mid-size case, such as this one, is used for just normal consumer-level computing. And then even smaller is a slim line, and they're slimmer and used also for consumer-level computing. A display device is a computer component that enables users to view the text and graphical data output from a computer. Display devices commonly connect to the system unit via a cable, and they have external power as well, and they have controls to adjust the settings for the device. They vary in size and shape as well as the technologies used. An input device is a computer component that enables users to enter data or instructions into a computer. Common input devices include keyboards and mice. An input device can connect to the system unit via a cable, such as this keyboard, or a wireless connection, such as this mouse. You can enhance the functionality of practically any personal computer by connecting different types of peripheral devices to the system unit. Also called external devices, peripheral devices can provide alternative input or output methods or additional data storage. Common examples of peripheral devices include microphones, webcams, speakers, scanners, printers, and external hard drives. Of these devices, speakers and printers are output devices, microphones, cameras, and scanners are input devices, and external hard drives are input and output devices. You can connect peripheral devices to the system unit via cables or wireless as well. Some devices even have their own external power source, such as the monitor or the speakers, while others, such as the wired keyboard, draw power from the USB port of the system. That's an overview of computer components. Thanks for watching.